Choose apple slices from the Happy Meal. Feed your appetite. Feed your imagination.
Sorry, Dad.
Don't feed the animals. Create your own play. Your
The Happy Meal fun goes on and on when you download the McPlay app. You can scan your Happy Meal toy to unlock even more fun. Ask your parents to download McPlay today, and you can enjoy it with the goodness of milk and apple slices, only at McDonald's.
I'd just like to say a few words here, but most importantly, I want to congratulate you on a great season. Now, you know we listen to the football game each and every